Alright, I'm down here, Englishman River, Loner 420, out with the dog, out at the river. I have my 420 doobie here. Peace all. Happy 420 all. Like I said, at the river, upper bridge, beautiful root system here off this fir tree. Genghis is over there. Come here, boy. Come on. Good boy. Making his way through the root system. Right on. Go on. Go drink some water. Good boy. Alright, happy 420 all. From Loner 420 house, out at upper bridge. If we look carefully, upper bridge is right there. And then this water just flows right up to where those roots are on these trees. And people normally jump off that into the river. Again, happy 420 all. From Loner 420 house. Peace all. Hey, Genghis.